Hey guys, just because your voltage is good doesn't mean your battery is good. Here's a perfect example. This battery is sitting in this bike right here, showing 12.46 volts. That's fine for battery. Let me turn the key on and show you what happens. Ready? Key on. Boom, 6.3. That's not going to do anything. It's just not going to do it. Okay, so any draw on this battery is sucking the battery all the way down, and it's not enough to crank it. All right, it's just weak. So you got to make sure that you do a load test on your battery as well. So watch, I'm gonna hit the start button. No good. All right, now let's look at a new one. All right, and then put start button.